So phrase match simply is putting quotes around the keyword. So that by doing this, by putting quotes around this keyword, you're telling Google, all right, Google, I only want to show my ad for keywords that are very closely around what this main keyword is, like white label AdWords services, white label AdWords companies, white label AdWords management, things like that. So that you get what I'm saying? Like the core search query we want to show our ads for has to have white label AdWords somewhere mixed into it to show our ads. All right, so let's just go right to the horse's mouth to see exactly what they say. So how it works. Let's say we phrase match tennis shoes. Your ads may show for searches like red leather tennis shoes, buy tennis shoes on sale. Do you see what I'm saying here? Won't show for shoes for tennis, tennis sneakers, laces, stuff like that. So it's got, this is basically your phrase match keyword is your core keyword search query that everything's gonna be built around. Okay, it's pretty powerful match type when you pair it up with exact and modified broad match. And we have other videos on our channel. You can check those out too for the different match types to use. But when building your AdWords ad groups, you should always be using exact match, phrase match, and modified broad match. Okay? Very important stuff. So as you can see here, phrase match is more flexible than exact, but is more targeted than the default broad match option. And guys, don't even bother with broad match. All right, it's just you'll get crushed. It's stupid. It's you got to really know what you're doing to use it. And someone who's just starting out, or even some advanced people who just want to do lead generation. Like if you're a small business owner, if you're a plumber, HVAC guy, a lawyer, whatever, it doesn't really matter. If you use broad match, you're just gonna get crushed with irrelevant clicks, and it'll just waste all your money. So just stick to what I'm telling you. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Modified broad match, exact match, phrase match, and you can't go wrong.